Here's a wheel for the rail with bushings in it. There's some that I haven't painted yet. It's going to have a 1-inch axle, or a 3/4 inch axle, I mean. Worked pretty good. Here's my tensioner. What's going to be my tensioner for my band. This is going to slide back and forth. Shaft's going to go through this into the hub of the tire. And of course there's going to be a flange here and a flange here. There's going to be a all-thread bolt. Be able to pull this back and forth to tension the band. So this piece here with this piece, it'll slide back and forth with the shaft going through it.